Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Eto na po ang ating segment kung saan bibigyan natin ng pansin yung mga sumulat, nagpadala ng kanilang mga problema sa ating Facebook page DJ Lala Banderas or sa ating Byahe Textline na 0917-851-4329. Ito po ay galing sa ating Facebook page. Ito na po ang Biyahe ng Buhay ni Sky. Good evening, DJ Lala. Number 1 fan mo ako at lagi akong nakikinig sa programa mong biyahe gabi-gabi. Gusto ko lang ding ibahagi sa inyo ang aking biyahe. Kwento ng aking pag-ibig. Ako nga pala si Sky, tubong Bicol pero dito na ako nanirahan sa San Mateo, Rizal. May nakilala akong lalaki at naging boyfriend ko siya, DJ Lala. By the way, nagkakilala kami dahil sa pinsan niya at naging kami sa loob ng 10 months. Syempre, di mawawala ang away-bate sa relasyon hanggang sa dumating na 2 weeks siyang walang paramdam. Ni ha, ni ho, walang ganon. Tapos bigla siyang pumunta dito sa bahay para sabihing mag-cool off muna daw kami. Sabi niya mag-iisip-isip muna raw siya kung ano ang magandang gawin sa relasyon namin. Kasi lagi kaming busy sa work at yung gusto niya, di ko kayang ibigay sa kanya. Yung anak. Pero yan ba talaga ang reason niya para mag-cool off kami? Makaraan ng 2 weeks, pumunta siya dito sa bahay at lagi pa rin nagte-text. Ang gulo ng utak niya, DJ Lala, di ko alam kung pabebe ba siya o ano. Ayoko ng ganitong setup kasi. At sinabi ko rin naman sa kanya ang lahat-lahat pero bumabalik pa rin siya dito sa bahay para daw makita niya ako. DJ Lala, sobrang durog lang yung puso ko. Kaya minsan nagsa-straight duty na lang ako para makalimot. Ano po ba ang dapat kong gawin? Bibitawan ko na ba siya? Or still, pero walang label? Ano po bang gagawin ko? Hi my love, hi Sky. Maraming salamat for sending in your message or yung biyahe ng buhay mo sa ating programa. I'll go straight to the point now, my love. In a relationship kasi, people have different reasons as to why sila pumapasok sa relationship, as to why they are looking for a partner. And of course, there are certain expectations sa relationship na yon. So, ang early onset niyang tawag dito, hindi naman condition ang tawag doon. Ang dream niya, ang reason niya as to why siya pumasok sa isang relationship is to create a family. So, meron siyang intentions to create a family with you. So, apparently, you are not up for it, hindi ka ready for it, and it will take some time for it to sink into a person. Kasi, hindi lahat ng tao kasi tanggap yun sa partner nila na yung partner nila ayaw magkapamilya. Certainly, in your case, ikaw kasing babae, so, wala naman siyang capability to bear his own child. So, taken aback siya doon. Mga lalaki kasi, or mostly na mga lalaki that I know, would want to have a child. So, ikaw ay hindi. If you cannot see it as a big deal, please see it as a big deal. Kasi it is. For some people, for a certain family, for a guy, it is a big deal na maipasa nila yung genes nila, na may magtuloy ng surname nila. So, malaking bagay yun sa kanila. And you cannot just ask someone to accept it in a snap just because you are not into it. Kasi you are not ready for it. O, diba? It should take some time. Pero dahil nga 10 months pa lang kayo in this relationship, it's quite too early to jump into conclusion. Kasi diba, we will never know how things will turn out Hindi mo alam kung after a year or 2 ng relationship ninyo, somehow, deep within you, you will be convinced na to conceive a child. You don't know. Walang nakakaalam kung ano magiging plano ng future. So, it's too early to base your relationship on that one certain thing. Pero I am going to tell you, it's not that simple. Hindi yun ganun kaliit na bagay. So, hindi lahat ng tao okay or ayos sa idea na hindi sila pwedeng mangarap magkaroon ng pamilya because apparently on the early onset ng relationship, the partner is already adamant to tell you na I'm not into kids. I'm not ready to have a child. I have no plans in having one. So, hindi ganun kadali tanggapin yun. So, bigyan mo siya ng panahon to sink it in. Or at least man lang, don't close the book. O diba, huwag mo muna isara. Di ka pa rin naman sure eh. Huwag mo muna isara. Unless it's a medical condition as to why you cannot conceive one, huwag mo muna isara. And then if hindi na yun yung rason, if meron pang iba, away-bati kayo, hindi na kayo nagkakaintindihan, hindi na kayo nagkakaunawaan, sa tingin mo, hindi na kayo nagko-communicate properly, go back ka lang dun sa certain conversation that started it all. Maybe that is the reason as to why hindi na kayo makapag-communicate properly. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? Kasi ang tao naman, hindi yan biglang humihinto makipag-usap sa'yo for nothing eh. Meron niyang rason. It's either na-off siya the last time you had a conversation, meron kang nasabi na nag-sink in sa kanya, nakasama ng loob niya. Pero, in a relationship, it's all about give and take. Huwag ka maging stubborn to accept that sometimes, hindi tayo yung nasa tama. That sometimes, tayo yung kailangan umintindi. Now, if you don't want him in your premises, kasi sabi mo, bahay mo yan, siya tong nangungulit, siya tong nakipag-cool off, pero siya pa rin nakikipagkita, then tell him. Tell him what you want. Na, I'm so sorry. The last time we talked, I was clear about my plans. If you are not on board with it, if you don't like it, I respect you and I understand. But that is my plan. Now, hindi lang ikaw yung nag-invest ng emotion sa relationship na to. Ako din, minahal kita. Mahal din kita. If you don't think you can be with someone like me, then just leave. Huwag ka na lang munang bumalik. I don't accept cool off. It's either we break or we go back together. Those are the only options I accept. Kasi if you are like me, I don't believe in cool off. It's either break tayo or tayo pa. Walang in between. So make it clear. I think naman you are the type of woman na alam kung ano yung gusto niya. Now, kung yung partner mo ay medyo fickle-minded or finicky, hindi alam kung anong gusto, then my love, clear it for him. Give him 2 options. Pero ito lang din yung ilagay mo lagi sa isip mo. Relationship is all about compromise. Even if pumasok ka sa isang relationship without any intentions, you have to keep an open mind that anything can happen within that relationship. Huwag mong basagin yung all hopes just because that is your plan. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok sa isang relationship at sasabihin sa partner mo na, ito ang plano ko sa buhay, sundin mo. Ngayon kung ayaw mo, umalis ka na. That's not how relationship works. You must be willing to bend. In some way, kailangan mong mag-adjust. In some way, kailangan mong mag-compromise. In some ways, kailangan mong mag-back down. May mga pagkakataong kailangan mong magpakumbaba. Lunukin yung sarili mong pride. I-detour yung ibang plano mo sa buhay in order to fit theirs. Kasi it's a two-way street, my love. You cannot ask and ask that your partner should give kung hindi ka willing to give. Naintindihan mo, kung hindi ka pwedeng humiling ng humiling, kumuha ng kumuha, nang hindi ka willing magbigay. Kasi you cannot ask for understanding if you cannot even be open to understand. Hindi ka pwedeng humingi ng consideration kung hindi ka willing mag-consider. Hindi ka pwedeng humiling ng patience kung hindi ka pasensyoso. Nagigets mo ako, my love? It's a balance that you have to start somewhere. And it all starts when you try na i-lower yung guard mo. Lower your expectations. Lower your standards. Somehow bend your plans in order to accommodate someone who loves you. Now, if you are not yet ready for that, kasi hindi ka willing to bend, hindi ka willing to compromise, then I do not think you are ready to commit on a relationship. Claro? Again, my love, if you know within your heart, wala na tong patutunguhan. Kasi meron siyang gusto na hindi mo kayang ibigay at meron kang gusto na hindi niya pwedeng pagbigyan. End it. No in between. Yung mga relationship na no strings attached, no label, wala yung patutunguhan, I am telling you. It's either you end this today or you'll continue to hurt yourself in the future. Claro? Claro.